Are you tired of struggling to slim down your legs? Do you feel like no matter how hard you exercise or diet, you just can't seem to achieve those beautiful and toned legs you've always dreamed of? Well, today we have some exciting news for you. We've got 8 amazing tips and tricks to help you finally achieve those long, lean, and gorgeous legs that you've been longing for. With these practical and effective methods, you'll be able to confidently show off your beautiful and slender legs in no time. So let's dive in and discover the secrets to achieving the perfect pair of legs. Tips 1: Eating a balanced diet is essential for overall health, including slimming down legs. Through dietary adjustments, you can reduce water retention in the body and speed up your metabolism, both of which can help you achieve your goal of slimmer legs. For example, incorporating fiber-rich foods like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables into your diet can help regulate digestion and prevent water retention, which can make your legs appear bloated. Additionally, reducing your salt intake can also help reduce water retention, as excess salt can cause your body to retain water. Try flavoring your food with herbs and spices instead of salt, and avoid processed foods that are high in sodium. These dietary adjustments may seem small, but they can make a big difference in achieving slim and toned legs. Incorporating more lean protein into your diet can also be beneficial for slimming down legs. Protein helps to build muscle mass, which can increase your metabolism and help you burn more calories throughout the day. It's important to remember that crash dieting or extreme caloric restriction is not a healthy or sustainable way to achieve your goals. Instead, focus on making small, sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle that you can stick to in the long run. Tip 2: Looking for a way to improve blood circulation and reduce water retention in your legs? Consider wearing compression garments. Compression garments, such as compression socks or leggings, are designed to gently squeeze your legs and improve blood flow. This can not only help reduce water retention, but also alleviate soreness and fatigue in your legs after exercise. But how do you choose the right compression garments? Here are some tips. Look for garments with a comfortable fit. You want the compression to be tight enough to be effective, but not so tight that it feels uncomfortable or restricts movement. Choose garments with graduated compression. This means that the compression is strongest at the ankle and gradually decreases as it moves up the leg, helping to improve blood flow more effectively. Consider the material. Look for breathable fabrics that are moisture-wicking to help keep you cool and dry during exercise. Wear compression garments during and after exercise. This can help improve blood flow during activity and reduce soreness and swelling afterwards. Examples of compression garments include compression socks, calf sleeves, and full-length compression leggings. Try incorporating them into your workout routine and see how they can help improve your leg health. Tips 3: Cardiovascular exercises are a great way to help burn leg fat. These types of exercises increase your heart rate and get your blood pumping, which helps to boost your metabolism and burn calories. As you burn calories, your body starts to use stored fat as a source of energy, which can help to reduce the fat on your legs. Some examples of cardio exercises that you can try include running, cycling, swimming, jump rope, and aerobics classes. These exercises are not only great for burning leg fat, but they also offer a variety of other health benefits, such as improved cardiovascular health, increased endurance, and reduced stress levels. The key is to choose a form of cardio exercise that you enjoy and can stick to in the long term. Tips 4: Resistance exercises for leg muscles. In addition to cardiovascular exercises, it's also important to include resistance exercises for the leg muscles. These types of exercises can help increase muscle strength and endurance, which can lead to toned and firm legs. Examples of resistance exercises for the legs include squats, lunges, leg press, calf raises, and leg curls. It's important to perform these exercises with proper form and technique to avoid injury and get the most out of the workout. By incorporating resistance exercises into your workout routine, you can help build lean muscle mass in your legs and improve overall strength and endurance. Tips 5: Stretching is a crucial aspect of any workout routine, including those aimed at toning and slimming the legs. Not only can stretching help improve flexibility, but it can also reduce muscle soreness and the risk of injury during exercise. Stretching also helps to improve blood flow, which can aid in recovery. Examples of stretching exercises that can be beneficial for slimming and toning the legs include quad stretch, hamstring stretch, calf stretch, butterfly stretch. Remember to stretch before and after exercising and to hold each stretch for at least 20 to 30 seconds to achieve maximum benefits. Are you tired of constantly battling water retention in your legs? No matter how hard you work out or eat right? Look no further than tip number 6, hydration. Staying hydrated is key to losing leg fat and reducing water retention. But how does it work? When your body is dehydrated, it holds onto water in an effort to prevent further water loss. This can lead to bloating and swelling in the legs. By staying properly hydrated, your body is less likely to hold onto excess water and your legs can look leaner and more toned. In addition to drinking water, you can also incorporate other hydrating fluids such as herbal tea, coconut water, or fresh fruit juices. It is also important to limit your intake of dehydrating beverages such as alcohol and caffeine, as they can contribute to water retention. So, make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day and consider incorporating hydrating foods like watermelon, cucumber, and leafy greens into your diet. Your legs, and the rest of your body, will thank you. Tip 7: dressing. Wearing the right clothes can make your legs look more toned and elongated. Here are some dressing tips to help you achieve this. High-waisted pants. High-waisted pants can help elongate the appearance of your legs by creating the illusion of a longer torso and shorter legs. Opt for a pair of pants that fit well and flatter your body shape. A-line skirts. A-line skirts are a great option for slimming down your legs as they fit snugly at the waist and flare outwards, creating a more proportional look. Pair them with heels to create the illusion of even longer legs. Monochrome outfits. Wearing a monochrome outfit can create a streamlined and elongated silhouette, making your legs appear longer and slimmer. Nude heels. Nude heels can give the illusion of longer legs by blending in with your skin tone and creating an unbroken line from your legs to your feet. Tights or stockings. Wearing tights or stockings can help make your legs appear smoother and more toned. Opt for opaque tights or stockings that match your skin tone for a natural look. By incorporating these dressing tips into your wardrobe, you can help enhance the appearance of your legs and feel more confident in your own skin. Are you aware that prolonged sitting or standing can cause leg swelling and discomfort? Many people spend long hours sitting or standing due to their work or lifestyle, which can result in fluid buildup in the legs and cause various leg issues. Sitting or standing for extended periods can cause blood to pool in the legs, leading to swelling and discomfort. This can be a particular problem if you have a sedentary job or stand for long periods at work. By taking steps to reduce the amount of time you spend sitting or standing, you can prevent these issues and improve your leg health. Tips 8. Here are some tips to help you reduce prolonged sitting or standing. Take frequent breaks. Take short breaks every 30 to 60 minutes to stand up, stretch, or walk around. This can help reduce the amount of time you spend sitting or standing. Use a standing desk. If you work at a desk, consider using a standing desk to alternate between sitting and standing throughout the day. Wear compression stockings. Compression stockings can help improve blood flow in the legs, reducing the risk of swelling and discomfort. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can improve circulation and help prevent leg issues caused by prolonged sitting or standing. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can reduce the risk of leg swelling and discomfort caused by prolonged sitting or standing, and improve your overall leg health. Thank you for watching this video and learning about our tips for losing leg fat. We hope you found the information useful and that you'll incorporate some of these tips into your daily routine. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts and any additional tips you may have. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest content. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.